Hey guys, this is microwavables. This is the Korean style dumplings, pork and vegetable. We're gonna try this microwavable out. Sorry for any interruptions in here because we got kids in here interrupting, so it's all good. Let's get this in the microwave and get things microwaving. It says 1 minute and 45 seconds. I'm pretty sure that's correct.
Hey, she gets in me another thing.
Yeah, there will be kids screaming, so I'm sorry about that. Sorry, my camera won't zoom up very well, but it's 1 minute and 45 seconds. Start. By the way, guys, this is the sauce packet it comes with. It's pretty good. I bet. We'll find out. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're done. Alright, guys. Man, that looks pretty hot. Let me get it out of the packaging. That's them. They look pretty good. Let me see if I can move one of these dumplings so I can put the sauce in. Anyways. As you can see, guys, I managed to get the sauce into the little bowl there. Give one of these a shot. It's probably pretty hot. So one of these a shot. Oh, skin came off. Get the dumpling wrap. Come on. Guys, I think it's stuck. Man, I think it's stuck. Yep, it's stuck. You know what?
That
Let's get
messed up. Not joking, for breakfast that smells alright.
What smells messed up?
I love my little brother. This is really shit.
You don't like the smell of onions? I will say these dumplings have an onion smell. Some people don't like onions. Some people do. But man, this dumpling is stuck. They do have a different smell. They taste pretty good. Dang, man. That thing just sticks. Let's try it with some of the sauce. It has a funny smell. Yeah, like my sister said. But it tastes pretty good. For a microwavable, it's not bad. For $2.50, it's not bad. Anything more than that, I want to pay. Yeah, give it a shot if you guys want. It's a pretty decent dumpling. They do have a slight smell to them, like an onion smell. Some people find it appealing, some don't. Alright, guys. I'm going to take another bite of this. See you for the next microwave. Later.